You got me like
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about an amazing game, Among Us. When I first started with this game, I was literally addicted with it. It was one of those games which I would not stop playing. If you are someone who loves mini games, this is your jam. So if you want to play and ace this game, keep watching. You can download the game for free if you have an iOS or Android device. But for PC via Steam or itch.io will cost you around $5 I guess. So you can see I'm just starting the game right now. And there are two modes, local and online. So in local mode we can play just in case there are friends nearby, if you are in hostel or chilling with friends, which is not possible obviously now. So we are going to try the online mode. There are three options, like you can see: host, public and private. So host is basically for hosting your own games, public or private, anything. Public, here we can join the games, if someone else is hosting a game we can join that game. Then there is private, where you can just join any private game whose code you must have. Like suppose you are playing with some friends and they are sending you codes for joining the game, you can join that one. So I will be joining the public one now. So you can see there are three maps. So I will be joining the skilled one and I will choose two imposter. You can choose 1, 3, anything. Then just choose a game option. Okay, the game you tried is full, so let's try another one. I'm gonna choose the third one just in case it's available. Okay, it's available. So let's wait for a few seconds. I have to wait for a few seconds, and there are basically two teams. That is, first is crewmate and imposter. Let's see which team I'm in. So I'm crewmate. Okay, and I have to find two imposters. So let's go. There are some tasks which are in the left corner, so I have to do those tasks. I can use the map that is in the right corner here, and you can see I have task in electrical. So let's go to the electrical section. Okay, someone called the emergency meeting. Maybe someone has suspected someone. So let me type what. Sure. Okay, so they are saying that San has killed. Maybe he must have saw. So let's just vote for him. If it's not San, then it must be the dark blue, like not the blue, purple maybe. So let's see what happens. Oh, it's a tie. So let's just do our task, so it would be easier for us to like win. I think Red and Cyan are the imposter. I think, or Green maybe. See, I told you. I think Red or Green. I can't follow them because if he is an imposter, he will kill me somehow. If we are alone. So everyone is voting out Red. So let's see if he is the imposter or not. See. So this is the emergency button which you have to press as soon as possible if you suspect someone. When it is critical condition in SIP, you cannot press the emergency button. Also, like see here I am seeing a body and I have to report the body as soon as I see it. And someone is venting through there, I saw just now. So I will discuss that in the meeting. So now comes the imposter part. So if you are an imposter, then your main objective is to kill the crew. You can act as if you are the part of the crew. An imposter can sneak through the vents and always pretend that you are doing a task so that they does not suspect you. Also, to confuse the crew members, you have to sabotage the ship, which is very easy. Like you can close the doors to trap the victims, and in between the cooldowns, you can kill the crew. When someone reports a dead body or calls an emergency meeting, the crew gathers to discuss. Now, players can talk openly in the chat. So, who they think, they can even talk that who they think is the imposter and any other details which they might have. If you are a imposter, you always have to make sure that they don't doubt you. Like always act innocent or accuse someone else, like other crew members. If a player is dead, he will become a ghost, so he cannot talk like via the messages, because he already know who the imposter is. So he can do the task which will help them eventually. So they can also see everything else. Suppose there are three imposters or two imposters. So if one imposter is dead, he can help the other imposter by just like sabotaging the ship, like I'm doing here. You can see this, like I'm turning off the light sometimes, and sometimes I'm just closing the doors and whatnot. You can use this to help your teammate, like your imposter friend. So this is all about the game Among Us, which I personally enjoy a lot playing, and I hope you will also enjoy the game as much as I do, or even more than as I do. So thank you for watching, and do like, share, and subscribe.